Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming service status and eliminating the simplest faults. Check your Google Fiber account for outages so you don't chase local issues. Then, perform a power cycle. Unplug the modem and router for about 30 seconds, plug them back in, and wait 2 to 3 minutes for them to fully boot. Once done, connect a laptop directly via Ethernet so you can tell whether the problem is wireless or the network itself. This narrows the troubleshooting path immediately. Now you dig into hardware and diagnostics to find the root cause. Check the fiber jack and ONT for loose connectors or visible damage, because a bad cable or connector can drop service. Next, log into the router admin page to confirm the WAN IP, DNS settings, and any error logs. This tells you whether the router is getting a clean connection. Finally, run wired and Wi-Fi speed tests and observe latency and packet loss, differences between wired and wireless point to a local Wi-Fi issue. To finish, take corrective actions based on your findings and be methodical about changes. If configuration seems corrupt, back up settings and do a factory reset, then reapply only essential settings so you don't reintroduce the fault. If hardware looks suspect, replace Ethernet or fiber jumper cables, and, if possible, swap in a spare router or ONT to isolate defective equipment. If problems remain, contact Google Fiber support and provide your speed tests, router logs, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.